सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। भगवद गीता 16th chapter 15th verse। आड्यो भी जनवान अस्मि कोन्योस्ति सदृशो मया यक्ष्ये दास्यामि मोदिष्य इत्यज्ञान विमोहिताः। So people who are adyah, people who are ignorant, ajnana vimohitaha, who are deluded by ignorance about the true reality or ignorance about God. What do? They say adyah, rich, abhijana janavan, born in a well groomed or a good family with great cultural traditions, etc. Born into a high family. Asmi, I am. Maya, to me, sadrishah, equal, anyah, else, kaha, who, asti, is. Yakshye, I will sacrifice, dasyami, I will give, modishye, I will rejoice, iti, thus, ajnana vimohitaha, deluded by ignorance. So ignorance is characterized by the sense of doership. I am the doer. And it is also characterized by I am the enjoyer. I am the experiencer. So people who are deluded by ignorance, they say that, you see, I am rich, I have money, and I belong from this great family, and who else is equal to me? So in Delhi, when the traffic police stops any car for traffic violation, violation of traffic rules, immediately the dialogue which comes out of the mouth of the driver is, do you know who I am? तुमको पता है मैं कौन हूँ? In Hindi. So do you know who I am? Why? You are a big person. How are you a big person? Because I am the son of so and so, I am the father of so and so, I am having such great post. And in Delhi, because it is the capital of the country, everybody is so and so, everybody is somebody. So the traffic police does not bother. They simply go with their work, because then they'll say, yes, we know, we get such people every day. So they say, I am rich, I am born into a high family, my family is so great, and who else is equal to me? Nobody is equal to me. And so what I will do? I will conduct sacrifices. I will bring yakshye. I will bring so many people, so many priests, and let them do puja. Though these people don't believe in God, but they will make a show of big puja. Then I will also give. They will bring so many people, and then they will conduct a function, and then they will give some donation. And then they will put it on Facebook, on Instagram, they will put it everywhere. And then they will take photographs and ensure that it is put in the newspaper also. And also they will say, see, I have put this. There are some people who will give donation, and then they will preserve everything. I have given donation to this place, I have given donation. They will make a big file and they will tell, I have given donation to this place, I have given donation to that place. So that kind of a donation, where you want to prove that you are the person, you and modishe, and they will enjoy also. I have got money, so I will go and enjoy sensual enjoyments. I will go, I will move around, I will eat, dance, do whatever, and then I will enjoy. Why enjoyment? Because I have money, I am rich, I have connections, I have great family. So why should I not enjoy? So when they hear about spiritual life, spiritual values, they say, what is the harm in enjoying life? Let me enjoy life. So there is no harm in enjoying life. Only thing is, you are committing suicide by just enjoying sense enjoyments and not understanding your true nature, you are committing suicide. As the Upanishad says, Atma Hano Janaha. You are committing suicide. And you are committing suicide because you are not trying to understand your true reality, true nature. And that is why, that is the problem. But this is told by people who are deluded by ignorance. Ajnana vimohitaha. Now people who are listening this might think, oh, those people are all ignorant, we are all very intelligent because we are hearing about the Gita, we are listening to the Gita lectures. Then the answer is no. Just by listening to the Gita lectures, one does not become wise. So one has to practice it. One has to have surrender to God. Then it is told, Aneka chitta vibhranta moha jala samavrataha prasaktaha kama bhogeshu patanti narakeya shuchau. Aneka chitta vibhranta. So the person who does not believe in God is aneka chitta vibhranta, is carried away by many things which divert that person. Moha jala samavrataha. That person is covered by the mesh of delusion. Mesh of delusion. And kama bhogeshu, for the sake of gratification or satisfaction of sense enjoyment or lust. Sensual feelings or sensual desires, lust. Prasaktaha, addicted. Ashuchau, and goes to a foul place or a wicked place, evil place or impure place, narake, into a hell, patanti, they fall. So hell might not be an actual place, but even in the world, your life can become hell. So you have so many things to bhranta, give bhrama or delude your mind, and it is covered by the mesh of delusion. Covered by the mesh of delusion and addicted to the gratification of lust, and so because of that they fall into hell, which is a great hell. And they fall into a great hell. How do they fall into a great hell? Because one thing leads to another, and another thing leads to another. So it is a moha jala samavritaha. It is the jala or net of moha, delusion, and so they get trapped into that, and they get caught in the foul hell. They get caught in the foul hell. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.